Welcome to our channel, your go-to space for self-growth, mental well-being, and unlocking your true potential. Have you ever felt like your mind is cluttered, your emotions are all over the place, or you're struggling to understand yourself better? You're not alone. Life is full of distractions, and it's easy to lose sight of what's really going on within us. But what if I told you that something as simple as journaling could be the key to decluttering your mind, improving self-awareness, and finding mental clarity? Yes, you heard that right. In this video, we're diving deep into the transformative power of journaling, how it helps you uncover your thoughts and emotions, and why it's one of the best tools for personal development. Whether you're new to journaling or looking to make it a consistent habit, by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the tools and inspiration to start journaling your way to a clearer mind and a better you. Let's get started. 1. What is journaling? Journaling isn't just writing random thoughts in a notebook. It's a structured yet personal process of recording your experiences, feelings, and reflections. It's a safe space to explore your mind, untangle your emotions, and organize your thoughts. Think of it as having a conversation with yourself where you leave judgment at the door. There are several types of journaling, such as reflective journaling, gratitude journaling, bullet journaling, and free writing. Each type serves a specific purpose, and you can mix and match based on your needs. For instance, gratitude journaling is great for boosting positivity, while reflective journaling helps you analyze your day and actions. 2. How journaling boosts self-awareness. One of the greatest benefits of journaling is how it enhances self-awareness. Self-awareness is the foundation of emotional intelligence and personal growth. When you journal, you take a step back from the chaos of daily life and consciously reflect on your thoughts and feelings. Writing forces you to slow down and process what's happening internally. For example, when you feel upset, journaling can help you pinpoint the exact cause of your emotions. When you're overwhelmed, it can help you break down what's contributing to your stress. The act of writing often reveals patterns in your thinking and behavior that you may not notice otherwise. Over time, this heightened self-awareness can help you make better decisions, improve your relationships, and align your actions with your values. 3. Mental clarity through journaling. Our minds can feel like a crowded closet, stuffed with thoughts, worries, to-dos, and emotions. Journaling acts as a way to declutter that mental space. When you put your thoughts down on paper, it's as if you're transferring the chaos from your brain to a tangible place where you can make sense of it. Here's how journaling helps with mental clarity. Organizing thoughts. Writing things out allows you to structure your thoughts, making them easier to understand. Processing emotions. Journaling can help you work through complex feelings and gain a clearer perspective. Problem solving. When faced with a tough decision, journaling can help you weigh the pros and cons or brainstorm solutions. Stress relief. Simply venting on paper can reduce stress and help you feel lighter. Journaling essentially creates a mental reset, enabling you to focus on what truly matters. 4. Scientific backing for journaling. If you need more convincing, science has your back. Numerous studies have shown the benefits of journaling for mental health and cognitive clarity. According to research published in the journal Advances in Psychiatric Treatment, expressive writing, like journaling, helps reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. A study by the University of Texas found that journaling strengthens immune function and lowers stress levels. Neuroscientists explain that journaling engages both the logical left brain and the creative right brain, fostering better problem-solving and emotional regulation. In short, journaling is more than just a hobby. It's a proven tool for boosting mental health and clarity. 5. Tips for starting a journaling practice. If you're new to journaling, getting started might feel intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. Here are a few tips to make journaling a part of your daily routine. Start small. You don't need to write pages and pages. Start with 5 to 10 minutes a day. Pick a method. Choose the journaling style that resonates with you, whether it's free writing, prompts, or bullet journaling. Use prompts. If you're unsure what to write about, prompts like, "What am I grateful for today?" or "What's one challenge I overcame recently?" can help. Stay consistent. Journaling works best when it's a habit. Pick a time of day that works for you, morning or evening, and stick to it. Be honest. Your journal is a judgment-free zone. Write openly and authentically. And there you have it, a deep dive into the transformative power of journaling. Whether you're seeking self-awareness, mental clarity, or a way to process life's challenges. Journaling can be your secret weapon for personal growth. The best part? It's a practice anyone can start, no matter where you are in life. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could benefit from journaling. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss more tips and insights on self-growth and mental well-being. Now, grab a notebook, take a deep breath, and start journaling your way to a more aware, clear, and empowered version of yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.